Happy Friday, everybody. We've done it. We've made it to the end of the week. We've done a lot of hard work this week. So I thought it'd be fun just to do something a little fun today, but still math related, obviously. So, what we're going to do is literally the only thing you have to do, guys, is you're going to come up with your own word problem and act it out on Flipgrid. Okay? So, getting into nuts and bolts of it real quick, you want it to be a fraction by a fraction, so half times a fourth or something like that. Okay? Then, after you've made your video, go ahead and reply to at least 3 other videos. Don't reply to mine. I want you to reply to your classmates, okay? With your strategy and answer their question. Okay, so with your strategy on how you're solving their word problem. Um, Things to remember, guys. First off, make sure that when you go to do Flipgrid, you have that app downloaded onto your device. Okay, you don't need to make an account. You do not need to make an account, but you need to have that app downloaded in order for it to work. On this Flipgrid, I've given you 3 examples. Yes, I made 3 word problems myself. Okay, you get to meet my dog, Maisie. My wife makes a few jokes at me. Um, so they're fun. They're light. It did not take me long to do, so I'm not expecting it to take you long to do either. Um, I've also, in the directions on Flipgrid, have given you a few equations that you could use if you want. You can come up with your own, but if you're like, I don't know what to do, I've given you some to help you out. Okay. You don't have to show yourself, guys. I think maybe some of us haven't been using Flipgrid because we don't like videotaping yourself. In 2 of the word problems that I did, the camera doesn't see me at all. Okay. So that shouldn't be something that stops you. Really, I want everyone to make sure that they do this, right? Because that means everyone's going to learn from it and have a good time from it. Okay. A couple other things. Be fun. Okay. Be creative. I've given you those 3 examples to help you out. Mrs. Harrington is also going to be making a video, so look out for that. I know she's been having fun doing our Flipgrids. I want you to be responsible, guys, and get this done. It's the one thing you have to do for me today. All right. So let's make sure that we do it. I am using Flipgrid as a chance for us all to connect with each other. I get that you're missing your friends. Okay, maybe you don't miss me. I miss you guys. I don't know if you miss me. But it's a chance for you guys to connect with each other on a different way, see each other, see a little bit about each other, okay? Because we all can't be at the same place at the same time. So let's use this as an opportunity to come together as a team, right? And do these Flipgrids and have fun with each other. If you get stuck or you need help, my office hours are from 10 to 11 today. And I'm always able to message on Schoology. I've had a couple different conversations with kids where we've been messaging back and forth for like half an hour. Okay? So I am always able to help you. Please reach out if you need it. I hope you guys have a great day. I can't wait to see your Flipgrid videos and have a great weekend. All right? Bye, everyone.